Alright, so we just finished hooking up the tub to electrical and got the lifter on, so now we're ready to fill it up. Right now I'm hooking up this tank, and this will help soften the water that goes into the tub, because you do need soft water in order to run the salt system. Alright, so we got the tub all set up, the salt system's ready to go, and the customer is super happy with it. So thank you very much for coming with us, and we'll see you next time.